Hello, guys. One more time, very happy to welcome you. And we are going to speak about a very special week, which is going to be
Yeah.
from the 26th of January to the 31st. So that's quite long, surrounding IMCAS Paris. So let's begin by Leonie. Leonie, please give us the flavor about what is the thinking class you are going to be one of the chair.
Thinking class, I am every year available because it's such a nice class. I was this year, last year, the year before. There's so much to learn. So this year it's 26 and 27. It's for beginners, it's for advanced. You can choose whatever level you are. And it's the whole arena you can think about. It's in,
Mauricio, please
yes.
tell us a little bit about specification dedicated to SibUs in this thinking class.
Sure. So I am really excited because this time is going to be the first time that we dedicate ultrasound guidance for the thinking class with the SibUs finger probe. So you will be able to learn how to do these injections and to see what you inject and how to implement this on your daily basis.
Peter, let's go now to the big project under the umbrella of Cutaneous and IMCAS as well. That's the 28th IMCAS Ultrasonography Summit. I know that it was a very long project you were implicated, so I think you are happy.
Well, I'm very happy, very happy. It's more than a year that we've worked on this, and well, again, it's going to be a very special day. Worldwide leaders are coming in, and it will be amazing. It will also be a beginner and an advanced level. And actually, I should invite Mauricio because he did the program.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Did the chair.
So I am more than proud of being part of this amazing group. So if you're an injector and you still don't use ultrasound, so you're still kind of guessing. So this summit in just one day will show you what to see actually when you inject and how to implement this into your daily practice in your clinic. And also you will hear from the experts in this field. So they are very influential. You're going to be able to make your work safer, and your patients will also see that you're going one step beyond the standards in order to make the treatments and the results safer using ultrasound.
And it's absolutely with all company, all representative, all association. So it's totally independent and on the academic level. That's right. So let's go back to Mauricio concerning the 29th. So Mauricio, you will have a big responsibility. You will be one of the two chairs dedicated to a very specific action in live concerning the cadaver anatomy day.
Exactly. So I will be in charge of doing the anatomical assessment in real time and in dynamic using, of course, ultrasound, and also be able to guide injections in the area of the lower face. So it's going to be exciting, and I am very happy to be part of this.
Be with us. And we are going to have specific SibUs activity the 29th of January. We call that the SibUs Master. It will be at the IAT, close to Palais des Congrès. And it's a succession of initiation pre-class. So please be with us. So let's go very rapidly now to Mauricio, one more time, dedicated to a specific session. You are one of the builders. It's the cutaneous session during IMCAS, the first day of IMCAS, the 29th.
Exactly. So Leonie, Peter, and me have set a fantastic program full of really interesting lectures about how to implement the ultrasound in a very easy and smart way in your daily practice. Because many people feel sometimes a little bit overwhelmed and they just don't know how to start. So this will be like a roadmap in order to make you see how important this is actually for injections.
Last but not least, the 31st of January, please, Leonie, tell us, because you are one of the builders of the Experience Lab, who is totally independent from the company.
It's very simple. It's hands-on, 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 hands-on. All devices are there, all the brands, of course, also the SibUs, so you can really try the finger probe. You have the V-scanner, the Clarius, and a lot of good teachers to implement and to see again how everything looks under the skin.
And we are going to have also SibUs implicated in this development, but with all the other companies. So, guys, ready to act, 26 to 31 of January, stay connected.